Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. On this week's video, we're having a look at the Noble version 1 hood scoop insert for the 2022 to present Subaru WRX. Look at it. Would you just look at it? Look at it. Gang, I'll be honest, when I opened the box for the very first time, I didn't really know what to think. I mean, the simplicity of such a product is, a bit overwhelming. But once I installed it and took a step back to look at it, I was shocked to find out how much I actually like it. So what is it? Simply put, it's the Noble version 1 scoop insert for the VB chassis WRX with the factory hood scoop. Its plastic molded design clips into the OEM opening, transforming your car's look from this to this. Combining this simple feature with products like the honeycomb designed sport grille and or the JDM DRL bezels is a super cost-effective way to up the look of your WRX. So, what about installation? Filmed in real time, simply angle the lower portion of the insert into the opening, then apply pressure to the top leading edge until all of the clips are secure. Yep, it's never been easier to upgrade or dial in the look of your WRX. So thanks for taking a look at the Noble scoop insert for the 2022 to present Subaru WRX. For thousands of parts just like this, plus tons more, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all the best deals on the web and in the world. And gang, we'll catch you on the next one.